students, in this video we will discuss about lambda cut fuzzy set and relation. First let us see what is meant by defussification process. We have studied that fussification is the method of converting a crisp set or a classical set into a fuzzy set. But some applications require the crisp input itself. So at the end of the process, that particular fuzzy set will again be converted into a crisp set. So we can define the process defussification as a mapping process from a space of fuzzy control actions into a space of crisp control action. That means the fuzzy set is converted into a crisp set. That mapping process is known as defussification. And this defussification has the capability to reduce a fuzzy set into the crisp set, also fuzzy matrix into crisp matrix, and a fuzzy number into a crisp number. Now let us discuss lambda cut for fuzzy set. It is also known as a alpha set. So let us say we have a fuzzy set A and the set A lambda where lambda is between 0 and 1. This is called the lambda cut or alpha cut set. This is a particular crisp set obtained from a fuzzy set and it is defined as A lambda equal to set X such that the membership value of this particular element X in the set A is greater than or equal to lambda. So A lambda equal to set X such that mu A of X greater than or equal to lambda, where lambda is belonging between 0 and 1. And any particular fuzzy set A can be transformed into an infinite number of lambda cut sets. So the set A lambda is called a weak lambda cut set if it consists of all elements of a fuzzy set whose membership function have values greater than or equal to a specified value. On the other hand, it is called a strong lambda cut set if it consists of all elements of a fuzzy set whose membership function have values strictly greater than a specified value. And the strong alpha cut lambda cut set is given by A lambda equal to set X such that mu A of X is greater than lambda, where lambda belonging to 0 between 0 and 1. And these are the properties of lambda cut set. A union B whole lambda equal to A lambda union B lambda. Similar for intersection A lambda intersection B lambda. And A complement of lambda is not equal to A lambda complement, and this will be equal when lambda is equal to 0.5. When the value of lambda is equal to 0.5, this condition will hold, otherwise it is not equal. Then for any lambda less than or equal to beta, where beta is a value between 0 and 1 and it includes 0 and 1, it is true that A beta is a subset of A lambda, where A0 equal to X, that is the universe of disclosure. The next is lambda cut for fuzzy relation. We have studied relation as a subset of the Cartesian product, and here we are defining a relation called lambda cut for fuzzy relation represented by R lambda, where lambda is a value between 0 and 1. And this is called lambda cut or alpha cut relation. Again, it is a crisp relation obtained from a fuzzy relation. That is the process of defussification we are explaining. Obtaining a crisp relation or a crisp set from a fuzzy relation or a fuzzy set. And it is defined as R lambda equal to ordered pair x comma y. That this defines the relation where the membership value of this particular ordered pair is greater than or equal to lambda. If it is greater than or equal to lambda, the value of our R lambda will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. And again lambda is belonging between 0 and 1. And these are the properties of relation. Union, it will be split R lambda union S lambda. Similar for intersection, R lambda intersection S lambda. And complement will not be same. except when lambda equal to 0.5. Similarly, for any lambda less than or equal to beta, where 0 is less than or equal to beta less than or equal to 1, it is true that R beta is a subset of R lambda. Thank you.